But the magic happens now if you play around with those channels and then you put them back together. Putting them back together is actually quite easy. It's an image.merge method. You're going to create a new image object, and you give it the code for what type of image you're doing, so it knows what channels to expect, RGB, and then you give it the image objects that contain the data for each channel. Note that those are a tuple, okay? So it's a single argument as a tuple. So let's close all those nachos. And let's go back to the original skate picture. There we go. Okay, so let's do that. So now I'm going to not show every single layer, but I've rotated the green one. Let's just put it back together now. Image new equals image.merge. And we're going to give the first argument, which is a string containing the type of image we're doing. Second argument is a tuple. Image red, image green, image blue. Okay, and then let's show that image new dot show. Okay, so if we show that image, then you can see just rotating that one piece, that one channel of the image, you can see the kind of effect it has on the image. But I could do anything to the channels. I can also swap the order of the channels when I put it back together and put the blue and the green and the green and the blue, which gives me a whole different look. Now, if I haven't changed the image, then if I haven't changed any of the channels, then it might not be too different. But as I start to play around with changing the channels themselves, then I will get those differences coming out. So merging the channels is how we get back to a colored image that is more interesting looking, like a filter.